seductive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners, and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Asilungiseni sixoxe nondaba enhle myeza.
Now, it destroy kanjani ke iChristianity ke
this patriarchy thing.
Uyabona ipatriarch umuya kwi-Old Testament iqhamuke sithola nabaLevi.
Okay.
Yeah. Sithola kubaLevi where they were undermining intelligence abantu besifazane. But if sibe carefully ke Ndlovukazi, we might blame the Bible. Bese sikhohla umuntu olibhalile uEusebius.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngoba uEusebius had a choice. Zazu almost 550,000 incwadi ezaziphezu kwakhe imkhulu. Yena wazokhetha incwadi eyipromoter ipatriarchy. Washiya incwadi za ezinye ezayibhalwa ama Presbyteria ezayihighlighta iintelligence nobunkulunkulu bomuntu osimanga.
Oh yes. Okay.
Ayibhemu lokuthi enye into may God forgive me for this. Enye into Ndlovukazi ziningi incwadi eBhayibhelini ezifakwe late ezazingekho from the original manuscript.
Okay.
Ayengiphinde lokho ziningi incwadi ngolusuku bazalwane ngoke ngifike le studio nje sibe nesineke sithathe sophatha amaBhayibheli awu3 iKJV, NIV, all these new entities eBhayibheli bese ngiyakuprovela using the original manuscript laso kuprovela khona ukuthi some of these verses ayengekho Ndlovukazi eqaleni afakwa shuthekwa nje the aim to promote patriarchy.
Okay.
Now ake sithathe abantu engibahloniphayo eBhayibhelini who were anti-patriarchy. One of them was Yeshua ben Joseph, or abamaze bathi uYeshua HaMashiach. Yabo. Yeah. Yeshua ben Joseph. How Jesus Christ kaPaul. I don't know that dude to Jesus Christ. No, olenga lapha no dongeni opapa inhliziyo. Usuza report le. So ngikhuluma mina ngoYeshua ben Joseph indodana kaMaria no Josepha. Yeshua ben Joseph loved women. I've never seen a man, underline giteni, a man, a dude like Yeshua who loved women and respected them so much. Siqala ukumbona respect umawakhe. He never looked at his mother swing. Wait me khuluma nonina ahlonize abheke phansi as a sign of respect.
Okay.
Ake ngiphinde uJesu never stared in the eyes of his mother. Wait me khuluma noma wakhe enze njani as a sign of respect. And he did that with Maria Magdalene. And lesiphuphunga lesiphuphungeka esubani esuEusebius behlangene no Pope Gelasius ba choose ukuthi bazomdoubta uMaria Magdalena baze bambize ngani ngonondindwa wena amademon awu7. Yet the Catholic Church has come up clean ukuthi kwaba wrong ukuthi uMaria Magdalena kuthiwa waba enamademon akazange adayise ngomzimba wengasona isifebe futhi uMaria Magdalena wengenawo amademon awu7 as written by uEusebius behlangene lesidawudawu lesu Pope Gelasius. So engichaza ukuthi ngamanye amazwi nakhona bonke strategy kwakuyini kwaku undermine integrity nobunkulunkulu bani bomuntu wesifazane.